Using the AI technology, you can create this picture from this picture in few command lines. So first you need to go to your Discord app and create your own server. You can install the Discord app and create an account. Using the same process, you can make such as an image from your mobile phone. The process is same, just follow the video. After that, go to your browser and search MidJourney. Click on the join in beta. Again, it will redirect you to the MidJourney server. First, you need to verify that you are a human. And select getting started. So this is the MidJourney server. On the left side, you need to select one of option, new buys. I am selecting new buys 164. You can select any of them. After that, click on the icon and click MidJourney bot. Add to server. And select your server what you have created. Click authorize. Again, you need to verify that you are a human. So now you are done. The bot is added to our server. Now you go to the server you have created, click slash and search for imagine. You can search anything just to make sure the bot is added perfectly. So let's add cyberpunk and something else. Accept TOS. So here is the detailed description from the MidJourney bot. That means we have successfully added the bot to our server. Now we will upload the image what we will edit. So image has been uploaded successfully. Now copy the image link. Just right click on the mouse and click copy link. Search for the bot you have edited and paste the link. Now you need to give the command line you want to add in your picture. So just put a comma and add whatever you want. The AI technology will create the image from your command line. So let's add cyberpunk, smart boy, with cat. So it will take a few minutes or few seconds to make the image. So you can see the message waiting to start on the from the bot. So image has already started to edit. Still the image is processing. Now we are done. Now if I click the image, So here is the result what we have edited using the AI technology. So we got this picture from this one.